kilometers in Mapanas, Northern Samar. Good morning, everybody from Mapanas, trying to squeeze in a zone tour. Nothing better to celebrate Independence Day in this beautiful place in the Philippines. So pupunta tayo, dadaanan natin yung tulay na yun. Woohoo! Ganda! Happy Independence Day! May swimming! Nakita na natin yun yung lagoon. Yung tubig. Tingnan natin kung mapunta tayo doon. Saan ba? O wala. Pero sabi kasi when there's a will, there's a way. Hello! Morning! Naka 2 kilometers na tayo. Dearborn, and we're 3 kilometers. Go, takbo! Takbo! Saan ba kayo sa akin? Last 3 minutes. 1 minute to go! Let's go! Yan yung background music ko. Woo! And that's it! 7 kilometers in Mapanas, Northern Samar!